Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to install AIPRM ChatGPT Chrome extension. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you can follow every step. So if you want to make your ChatGPT to the next level, as you can see here, you have to install the Chrome extension to have this feature. So you can use all the public prompts, so it will be useful for you, or you can basically use other tools that you can use. So first, what we're going to do here is add this extension from Chrome Web Store. So we're going to add a new tab right here and search for Chrome Web Store and click enter on your keyboard and scroll down and find this Chrome Web Store website, as you can see here. Then go to the search box right there at the top and basically search for AIPRM. So this one here with a black logo. So I'm going to open that one and click on this add to Chrome button. So right from here, and then click this add extension. All right. So once you add this one, you just need to confirm that you want to add this on your extension. And then all you need to do is click on the extension icon right there at the top right and basically select the AIPRM. So you will be automatically open up your ChatGPT. So a message shows up here. You can connect OpenAI and AIPRM account. So I'm going to cancel that one. All right, then check this box right here. And there you go. We have now the AIPRM on your account. So it has been added. And you can now use the public prompts right here to save your prompt templates. So for example, we have SEO optimized content writer, fully SEO optimized article, and some YouTube script creator, as you can see here. And we have also some tools that you can use. So for example, we're going to create a prompt and generate a full article. So we're going to write down here on the message box. For example, I'm going to type top 10 ways to make money with YouTube. All right. Then I'm going to tap on enter. And as you can see here, it is now starting to generate the result. And if you notice that it makes your ChatGPT generates more faster. So yeah, as you can see right from here, you can use this AIPRM on your ChatGPT and it is very useful for us. So that's it. That's how you basically install AIPRM ChatGPT Chrome extension. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.